Let P be the point which divides the join of points A and B having position vector (3a minus 2b) and therefore OA is equal to minus 2 vector B and OB is equal to plus 3 vector B. Given ratio m is to n is equal to 2 is to 1. Now position vector of OP is, now vector OP is equal to m times vector OB plus n times vector OA upon m plus n. Now what this is? Section formula. Now just putting the values, twice of vector OB summation for 1 times vector OA divided by 2 plus 1. Now this becomes 7 vector A, 4 vector B upon 3. Vector OP is equal to 7 upon 3 vector A plus 4 upon 3 vector B. This is the answer.